What'd you say, Rafi? What are you looking at? Let's go look. Whoa, dolphins. Oh, I see one. Here it comes.
What's going on?
Really? Up there? I think they're going to have to lower them down. They can't make it up that high. Yeah, there are a couple right here just hanging out on top. Are you making dolphin sounds, Gabby?
Yeah. I want to be able to see better. Oh, and look at that look at that tiny one.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say? What are you seeing?
Oh, I see some dolphins.
Where?
Oh, in that truck.
Oh, in that big pool.
Yeah. Look, turtle.
Wow, there's so many of them in there.
There's one named Maya.
Just Maya. Not Amaya, just Maya.
I know, I said Maya.
Okay.
No, it's Pumpernickel. Nina, there's one named Pumpernickel.
We'll have to tell Pumpernickel that there's a dolphin named after her. Okay, I'm going to turn it off till we start the show. See you guys soon.